Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by working in the shade so the deglosser evaporates evenly. Temperature and dryness matter. Once ready, mask trim and remove wax residue with soap or a dedicated cleaner. Shake the bottle 30 to 60 seconds to mix solvents. Apply a small amount to a clean microfiber or lint-free cloth. Wipe in straight passes across a small panel about 2 ft by 2 ft. Use overlapping strokes. Make sure to flip the cloth when it soils, so you always work with a clean face. You continue by covering the entire panel using crosshatch strokes, first horizontal, then vertical to ensure complete chemical abrasion and solvent contact. Once done, inspect under good light for any glossy islands. Rework those spots immediately. Replace your cloth every 2 to 3 panels or sooner if contaminated, because contaminants reapply gloss. Allow the treated surface to flash off for 5 to 10 minutes so residual solvent evaporates. This creates a slightly dull, etched surface ready for primer or paint. Make sure to ventilate. You finish by wiping the panel with a clean, dry cloth and then perform a 3M tape adhesion test to confirm the surface will bond. If you see streaks or shiny spots, immediately redegloss that small area using fresh solvent and cloth. Don't sand unless required. Allow the panel to rest until completely matte and solvent-free before applying primer or paint. If problems persist, check temperature, contamination, or product age. Remember to dispose of solvent-soaked rags in a sealed metal container to prevent fire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.